One of the biggest prisons in life has no walls, no locks, no chains, yet millions of people live inside it every day. It is the prison of other people's opinions, the fear of being judged, the fear of being criticized, the fear of disappointing others, the fear of being rejected, the fear of not being accepted. And because of that fear, people hide who they are. They stay quiet when they should speak. They settle when they should grow. They hold back when they should move forward. They abandon their dreams before they even begin, not because they cannot succeed, but because they are waiting for approval. Approval from friends, approval from family, approval from strangers, approval from people who are not even living their life. The truth is, the moment you stop seeking approval is the moment you become free. Part 1. You cannot please everyone. One of the hardest lessons in life is realizing that no matter what you do, someone will disagree, someone will criticize, someone will misunderstand, someone will judge. That is simply part of life. Think about it. People criticize successful people. People criticize unsuccessful people. People criticize people who speak. People criticize people who stay silent. So no matter what path you choose, someone will have an opinion. So why spend your life trying to please everyone? It is impossible. And the more you try, the more exhausted you become. Because now, every decision requires permission. Every dream requires validation. Every action requires approval. That is not freedom. That is dependence. At some point, you have to accept that not everyone will like you, not everyone will agree with you, and not everyone will support you. And that is okay because your job is not to please everyone. Your job is to become the best version of yourself. Part 2. Most people are not thinking about you. Many people spend years worrying about what other people think. But here is something surprising. Most people are not thinking about you nearly as much as you think they are. They are busy worrying about themselves, their own problems, their own fears, their own insecurities, their own responsibilities. Think about how much time you spend thinking about every little thing you do. Now imagine everyone else doing the same thing. Most people are focused on their own lives, not yours. Yet people stop themselves from taking action because they imagine an audience that does not really exist. They avoid posting the video, starting the business, going to the gym, speaking up, trying something new, because they are afraid of being judged. But often, the judgment they fear exists only in their imagination. And even when people do judge, their opinion changes nothing. Your future is not determined by what people think about you. It is determined by what you do. Part 3. Approval is addictive. One reason approval is so dangerous is because it feels good. It feels good when people praise you. It feels good when people agree with you. It feels good when people validate your choices. But when your happiness depends on approval, you give away your power. Now, your confidence depends on other people. Your self worth depends on other people. Your decisions depend on other people. And that is a dangerous place to live because people are unpredictable. One day they support you, the next day they criticize you. One day they cheer for you, the next day they doubt you. If your confidence rises and falls based on other people's opinions, you will never have peace. Real confidence comes from within. It comes from knowing who you are, what you stand for, what you believe, and continuing forward even when not everyone agrees. Because the strongest people are not the people who receive the most approval. They are the people who need it the least. Many people do not realize they are living for approval. They choose careers because other people expect it. They stay in situations that make them unhappy because they are afraid of disappointing someone. They make decisions based on what will be accepted instead of what is right. Little by little, they stop listening to themselves. And when that happens, they begin living someone else's version of life. The danger is not criticism. The danger is forgetting who you are because you spend so much time trying to become who everyone else wants you to be. Part 4. Every successful person faced criticism. Think about anyone you admire: an entrepreneur, an athlete, an artist, a leader, a creator. Every one of them faced criticism. Every one of them faced doubt. Every one of them faced rejection. People questioned them. People laughed at them. People told them they would fail. Imagine if they had stopped because of criticism. Imagine if they waited for everyone to approve. Nothing would have happened. The truth is, every meaningful dream will be misunderstood by someone because people can only see your vision through their own experiences. And sometimes their limitations become the advice they give you. That is why you cannot allow other people's fears to become your future. You must be willing to believe in yourself because before everyone else does. Because often the people who doubt you today are the same people who will praise you tomorrow. Part 5. They do not need to understand. This may be the most important lesson of all. Not everyone is supposed to understand your journey. Not everyone is supposed to understand your goals. Not everyone is supposed to understand your dreams. Some people will support you. Some people will not. Some people will believe in you. Some people will not. That's okay because understanding is not required. Approval is not required. Permission is not required. You do not need permission to improve your life. You do not need permission to become healthier. You do not need permission to chase your goals. You do not need permission to build something meaningful. You do not need permission to become the person you want to become. Too many people spend years waiting for approval that never comes. Meanwhile, life keeps moving. Opportunities keep passing. Dreams keep waiting. Do not let your future depend on someone else's opinion because the people who change their lives are not the people who wait for permission. They are the people who decide and then act. Sometimes the people closest to you will not understand your vision, not because they are bad people, not because they want you to fail, but because they can only see life through their own experiences. If they have never taken the risk, they may not understand why you would. If they have never chased a dream, they may not understand why you are willing to struggle for yours. And that is okay. You can love people without allowing their fears to control your future. You can respect people's opinions without allowing those opinions to make your decisions. Remember this: understanding is a gift, not a requirement. Part 6. The cost of seeking approval. Think about what seeking approval has already cost you: the opportunities you never took, the opportunities you never had, the dreams you never pursued, the risks you never accepted, the version of yourself you never became. How many decisions have been controlled by fear? Fear of judgment, fear of criticism, fear of rejection, fear of what people might think. Now imagine what could happen if you let go of that fear. Imagine how much freedom you would feel. Imagine how many opportunities you would pursue. Imagine how many goals you would finally chase. Imagine how much confidence you would build. Because confidence grows when you stop living for other people's expectations and start living according to your own values. One day, you will look back on your life and you will not be thinking about the people who judged you. You will be thinking about the opportunities you took, the opportunities you missed, the risks you accepted, and the risks you avoided. Years from now, very few people will remember the criticism you received, but you will remember the dreams you abandoned because you were afraid of that criticism. That is why seeking approval is so expensive. It quietly steals experiences, growth, confidence, possibilities, and often the price is much higher than people realize. Because every time fear wins, a piece of your potential stays undiscovered. Part 7: The moment you become free. At some point, you have to stop asking, "What will people think?" and start asking, "What do I think?" At some point, you have to stop asking, "Will they approve?" and start asking, "Is this right for me?" Because this is your life, your future, your dreams, your story. And if you spend your life trying to please everyone, you may never become the person you were meant to be. Remember this: no matter what you do, someone will judge you, someone will doubt you, someone will misunderstand you. So you might as well live authentically. You might as well pursue your goals. You might as well become the person you want to become. Because approval is temporary, but regret can last a lifetime. The moment you stop seeking approval is the moment you become free.